In this video, I will show you how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, what you're going to want to do, as you can see, we're here on my iPhone. So what you want to do first is come into your iPhone settings. And from here, you want to locate the sounds and haptics option, which is going to be here. You might need to scroll down depending on what model iPhone you have, but what you want to do is press onto sounds and haptics. So haptics is actually the vibration. So what you actually need to do on the next screen is go ahead and press onto haptics. And this way you can come to turn on the vibration for your iPhone. So as you can see, if you've got it set to always play, then haptics will play when your iPhone rings or receives an alert. You can also customize this further, so you can have this just to play in silent mode, which means that haptics will play when your iPhone rings or receives an alert while in silent mode. You can choose whether you want it to not play in silent mode, which means if your iPhone is in silent mode and it rings or receives, your iPhone is not going to vibrate. Or you can turn this off completely by selecting never play, which means haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receives an alert. But to go ahead and turn on the full vibration and haptics on iPhone, you want to select always play, which means whenever you receive an alert or when your iPhone rings, of course it's going to vibrate. Haptics basically means that the vibration just goes in time with the ringtone or like the message, but that is basically how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.